Oh, another small thing that I noticed is that the ANC and transparency mode switch smoothly without any weird audio jumps, and some earbuds snap in and out of ANC, but these transition nicely. Connectivity has been perfect for me. They use a Bluetooth 5.3, which means fast pairing and a stable signal. I left my phone on the kitchen counter, walked around the entire living room and hallway, and didn't get a single dropout. Even outside, the connection stayed solid. They support both USB-C charging and wireless charging. Battery life's been more than enough for a full day of normal use, and that digital LED battery screen on the front of the case is honestly one of those features I didn't know I needed until I had it. The case fits in a pocket easily, the earbuds pop in and out smoothly, and overall, they're just really easy to live with throughout the day. Now, whether you're sitting still, moving around outside, or doing something more active, they adjust well to whatever you're doing. All right, so my final thoughts about the TOZO Golden X1 earbuds are they definitely exceeded my expectations. The hybrid driver system gives you legit detail and depth. The massive frequency range creates a super open sound. LDAC support is a huge win, and they stay comfortable and secure even when you're moving around a lot. Whether you're listening to music, editing, taking calls, walking around outside, or just want earbuds that sound great with pretty much anything, these are a strong choice without a premium price tag. I've been using them pretty much every day since I got them, and they're staying in my rotation for sure. If you want premium audio without spending way too much money, the TOZO Golden X1 earbuds are definitely worth checking out.